All right, here we go. This is PYT 288, 22 Origins, 23 Origins Blaster Mix. We have one of each, 36 cards per box, 14 rookies, 5 inserts, Big Bang, a pedigree, ultra rare Big Bang inserts in here. Again, there should be a variation in each of these, plus 2 numbered parallels. And in the 2023, there are some image variations too. Typically. Blaster number 2. All right, we will start with 22 and then work our way to 23. Good luck, everyone. I like these mixers because they're different rookie classes, so each team has a chance of a lot of different players. There's Aaron Jones to start us off here. Patrick Mahomes. Michael Carter. Alec Pierce, rookie for the Colts. Jameson Williams for Detroit. Catapults, Justin Jefferson. Jamar Chase. Nico Collins. Devontae Price. Treylon Burks. Jelani Woods. There's Jalen Tolbert, our first numbered parallel. That's out of 10. 7 out of 10 on the Jalen Tolbert. It's going to the Dallas Cowboys. Low number right there. 7 out of 10. That might be the lowest. Well, we've had a 1-of-1 out of the Blasters, I guess. So Deuce Vaughn. That might be the lowest non-1-of-1 I pulled out of the Blasters. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Deontay Johnson. Josh Allen. Pierre Strong. Jalen Tolbert. Catapults, Jameson Williams. 3 packs left. Tyler Lockett. Cooper Kupp. There's Kenny Pickett. Kayvon Thibodeau. There's a variation. That's going to be Aiden Hutchinson for Detroit. Warren Moon on the team Origins. Jalen Waddle. Damian Harris. Chris Olave, rookie. We got Trey McBride, rookie. Catapults of Tom Brady. Matt Corral on the numbered parallel. 273 out of 299. Where did Matt Corral go? I know he's on the Patriots, but then it's kind of vanished. Stephon Diggs. Cam Akers. Zamir White. Kenneth Walker III. Rashad White. Team Origins, Joe Montana. Let's upload these. We got the 2023 Blaster coming up next. Well, I'm sure the Bears will at least want a second rounder, but I don't think they have many offers. So I wouldn't be surprised if somebody got them for a third or something like that. There's Chris Carter to start us off in this one. Stephon Diggs. Najee Harris. Tanner McKee, rookie for the Eagles. Jahmyr Gibbs. Sean Clifford on the OG. Aaron Donald. Micah Parsons. Dalvin Cook, that's going to the Jets. Bijan. Jalen Carter. Startups Sean Clifford. And 4 packs left. We should have 2 numbered parallels and a variation coming up. There's Tua. Christian McCaffrey. There's Jake Haener. That's out of 299. Going to the Saints. Cedric Tillman, Tank Dell. Jordan Addison. Yeah, something like that. Hardcore is probably what's going to happen. I just don't know what team it's going to be. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Saquon Barkley, Buda Baker. It's going to cost a lot of these teams a lot to move up, but some of them might fall in love with one of these quarterbacks. Jalen Hyatt, Tyree Wilson, Aiden O'Connell. I know a lot of people are waiting on Kirk Cousins and Baker Mayfield to decide where they sign as well. It's going to be an image variation of Will Levis. That's not our negative variation that each box has. CeeDee Lamb. There's that variation. That is Jackson Smith and Jigba on the negative. Michael Wilson, Jake Haener, and startups Butte. Terry McLaurin. I've seen A.J. Dillon. It looks like he signs all the cards he pulls of himself on the spot for people. Kyler Murray, which is also really cool. Jordan Addison. If you guys want me, I can start signing these on the spot for you guys as well. So if you want me to sign this Jordan Addison, just let me know. There's Anthony Richardson. Josh Downs. Michael Mayer. Yeah, we got a few. That's the thing, 2023, the Raiders had some nice rookies. Mayer is going to be, I think, a player. Tyree Wilson. How did he do this year? Yeah, anytime you guys want an autograph, I can sign one of these cards for you anytime. My name, the player's name, your name. I don't know if they'll hold as much value as the A.J. Dillon signing his own, but maybe I can get some mystery packs and make something like Tops or somewhere you can send in like photos and get your own cards made. I'll just make a few of my own and then sign some one-on-ones. There's Jake Haener out of 299. We have Will Levis. That's the variation. The other one's a different picture that has the emblem there. The negative variation, we have Jackson Smith and Jigba. Jordan Addison out of 149. Anthony Richardson. Aiden Hutchinson on the variation. Matt Corral out of 299 for Carolina. Not the quarterback you were wanting for Carolina, but then we got Jalen Tolbert out of 10, 7 out of 10. Anytime you can get a rookie, low-numbered rookie, you got to love it. That does it for Origins. So we are down to 3 breaks, guys.